Living in a lively neighborhood has its advantages: close proximity to shops, schools, and community activity, but it can also bring unwanted noise into your home. For homeowners in Lafayette, finding ways to reduce outside noise while maintaining comfort and style is a top priority. One effective solution is upgrading to modern noise-reducing double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are a classic and versatile window style, featuring two sashes that slide vertically. While they are well known for their functionality and timeless appearance, today's designs also offer advanced features that help minimize noise and improve indoor comfort. One of the main ways double-hung windows reduce noise is through improved sealing. Older windows often develop gaps over time, allowing sound to pass through easily. Modern double-hung windows are built with tighter seals and precision engineering that reduce air infiltration, and with it, sound transmission. When properly closed, they create a barrier that helps block out everyday noise from traffic, neighbors, and outdoor activity. Glass technology plays a major role in sound reduction. Many modern double-hung windows feature double or triple pane glass, which adds multiple layers between your home and the outside world. These layers help absorb and dampen sound waves, making it harder for noise to travel indoors. For homeowners in Lafayette neighborhoods, this can significantly reduce the impact of street noise and create a more peaceful living environment. Some windows also offer laminated glass options for enhanced sound control. Laminated glass includes an inner layer that helps hold the glass together while also reducing sound vibrations. This added feature is especially beneficial for homes located near busier streets or high-traffic areas. Frame materials also contribute to noise reduction. High-quality materials like vinyl or fiberglass help insulate against both temperature and sound. These materials reduce vibrations and prevent sound from traveling through the window frame, creating a quieter indoor space. Proper installation is just as important as the window itself. Even the most advanced window won't perform effectively if it's not installed correctly. Gaps or misalignment can allow noise to seep in, reducing the benefits of your investment. Professional installation ensures a tight fit and proper sealing, maximizing both sound reduction and energy efficiency. Another advantage of double-hung windows is their flexibility in ventilation. While they are highly effective at blocking noise when closed, they also allow for controlled airflow when opened. You can open the top sash, the bottom sash, or both to create balanced ventilation while still managing how much outside noise enters your home. In addition to reducing noise, these windows improve overall indoor comfort. A quieter home allows you to relax, focus, and enjoy your space without constant interruptions. Whether you're working from home, watching TV, or simply unwinding, reduced noise levels make a noticeable difference in your daily life. Energy efficiency is another added benefit. The same features that help block sound, tight seals and multi-pane glass, also improve insulation. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. For Lafayette homeowners, this means a quieter and more energy-efficient home at the same time. Double-hung windows also maintain the classic look many homeowners prefer. Their traditional design complements a wide range of architectural styles, making them a great choice for both older and newer homes in Lafayette. This means you don't have to sacrifice style to achieve better sound control. Maintenance is simple as well. Modern double-hung windows are designed with durability in mind and often include tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning. This ensures they remain in good condition and continue to perform effectively over time. Ultimately, noise-reducing double-hung windows offer a practical solution for homeowners in Lafayette who want to create a quieter, more comfortable home. By combining advanced materials, improved sealing, and modern design, they help block unwanted noise while enhancing energy efficiency and overall livability. If outside noise is affecting your home, upgrading your windows can make a meaningful difference. With the right double-hung windows and professional installation, you can enjoy a more peaceful environment while still staying connected to everything your neighborhood has to offer.